Fact: climate change driven by CO2 emissions is threatening our home, planet Earth. Fact: transportation is the second leading source of CO2 emissions, right behind electricity. Question: do you want to save the planet? Then you should bike, not drive. I'm George Cook, a grad student at the Minneapolis College of Art and Design's Sustainable Design Program. I'm embarking on a design project using bikes for transportation, replacing cars. But what about electric cars? Doesn't that make me green? You might ask that. No. Remember the number one source of CO2 emissions? Electricity. The CO2 footprint for using your electric car varies on where you get your electricity. Best case scenario is 70 grams per kilometer. In the United States, it's more like 202 grams per kilometer, which is just a little less than a 229 grams per kilometer for a gas-powered vehicle. By comparison, a bike is 16 grams per kilometer. All these numbers include the full life cycle of your vehicle of choice. But bicycling makes me sweat, you might say. Well, an e-bike will take the load off, and studies have shown that the carbon footprint is comparable or lower than a pedal-powered bike. What about safety? Well, that starts with strapping on a helmet. Most safety issues are related to interaction with motor vehicles, and the goal of this project is to reduce them. Statistically speaking, by time spent, biking is actually safer than driving. There are other design solutions that vastly improve safety, like bike lanes. Or even better, dedicated bike paths. Bicycling has proven health benefits. But why stay stationary? Use those benefits to get somewhere. Biking has significant financial benefits over driving. It can save hundreds of dollars a month. Well, what about the weather? Well, there are solutions like PodRide, an Indiegogo project. And actually, connecting with nature is one of the benefits of biking. Bicycling can also benefit the businesses all along those popular bike routes. It can be integrated with mass transit for commuters, and it's a lot less stressful than being stuck in traffic every day. With all these benefits, why don't we see more uptake? Why are the bike racks empty? That's the purpose of this design project. How do we put the pieces of this puzzle together in a systemic way? Biking for transportation is an important part of the sustainability revolution. We need designs that make it easy to bike, not drive.